Okay, we start now. Already 1:30. So first, mind test 5.1c. Question number 1. The diagram on the right shows two right-angled triangles. Determine whether all trigonometric ratio of angle x and angle y are equal. State the reason for your answer. So this is the solution. Trigonometric ratio of angle x and y are the same. This is because all lengths of sides are reduced by the same rate. Means, okay, here is 4 cm. Here is 12 cm. So if you times 3 here, you'll get 12. 3 cm here, if you times 3, you'll get 9. And 5 times 3, you'll get 15. So we can conclude that the ratio are the same because the sides are reduced by the same rate. Okay, this is the answer for number 1. Number 2, determine the trigonometric ratio for sine 15. Sine 15 here. Here is sine 15. Sine is soft. Opposite of hypotenuse. PR is the hypotenuse. So first you have to calculate the length of PR by using Pythagoras Theorem. 1.9 square plus 7 square, then square root, you get 7.25. For length of PS, you can use triangle PQS. So in order to calculate the length of PS, 7 square plus 2.1 plus 1.9, which is 4. So 7 square plus 4 square, then square root, you get 8. So sine 15, just now opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite is 1.9. Hypotenuse is 7.25. Then you use your calculator. I'll show you. Please wait. Okay. So here 1.9 over or divide 7.25. Then press button ABC here. So you get 19 over 75. Or 19 over 75, you can times 2. You get 38. 75 when you times 2, you get 75 times 2, you'll get 150. So this is actually not here. Okay, 7.25, this one I just round off. Let's say we calculate 7 square. Okay, this 7 square plus 1.5 square. 1.9 square. Then you get this answer. Then square root. So it's actually 7.25327.5 blah blah blah, panjang ni. I just put 7.25. If you put 7.253, then the answer here will be differ. So it's okay. If you use 7.25 for PR, so when you divide by 1.9 divided by 7.25, you will get just now 19 over, tak ingat, 1.9 divided by 7.25. This one. This one dapat pula. Tadi I kira Y tak dapat. Okay, so if you use 7.25, you will get 38 over 145. Boleh tak? Okay.
Okay, teacher. Teacher, lagi sekali boleh tak?
Apa tu?
Repeat yang dekat situ punya.
Yang kat situ tu kat mana?
Yang tadi tu.
Yang ni ke? Tadi tu yang mana? Ada banyak tadi. Okay, ni dapatkan sin 15. Sin kan soft. Opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite is 1.9. Over hypotenuse is 7.25. But answer at the back is like this. So, maksudnya dia tak nak your answer in decimal places. So, you just use calculator 1.9 divide by 7.25. You akan dapat decimal number like this. Then you press this button, button ABC. Then the calculator will give 38 over 145. So same as answer at the back. Okay tak?
Okay, okay.
Okay, for number 2, cos 15. Cos, kalau I tak slideshow nanti I tak boleh nak tunjuk calculation. Okay, for cos 15.
Cikgu.
Yes?
Belajar nak masuk.
Itulah lambat. Next time kalau lambat I tak nak layan you kena masuk awal. Mana Najihat nak kena ni. Okay, dah masuk dah kot. Okay, so for cos 15, cos is char. So adjacent over hypotenuse. So 7 over 7.25. Then use your calculator, you will get this. Okay, same goes to this. For sin 30, this is 30. 15 plus 15. So if sin soft, so this is the opposite. So 4 over 8. 4 over 8 equals to 1 over 2. Okay. So for 30 degree, you use triangle PQS. For the 15 degree here, you use triangle PQR. Okay, jangan silap. Jangan ambil PRS. Triangle PRS, not a right angle triangle. So tak boleh guna. Okay. For question B, is the increase of the value of trigonometric ratio for angle 15 and 30 are proportional? So the answer is no, because sin 50 not equals to sin 30. Walaupun the angle double, but the ratio not same. So the answer is no. Okay. That's for 5.1c. So next, 5.1d. Okay, calculate the value of Ni awak dah buat kan?
Dah, cikgu.
Okay. Calculate the value of sin theta, cos theta and theta for each of the following right angle triangle. So just use the formula. For sin is SOH. So this is the theta. SOH opposite over hypotenuse. So 15 over 39. So sin theta 15 over 39. For cos, this is char. So 12 over 13 is actually 36 over 39. So you have to simplify. Okay, same goes to tangent. The question is actually tertinggal tangent ni. Okay, so this is the answer for A, B and C. Boleh tak? Any question, girls? Any question before we proceed to number 2?
No, teacher.
Okay, question number 2. Why? Cannot move. Okay. Okay, now D, E and F. Same as just now. If sin, saw, cos, char, and this is TOA. So you just have to identify the hypotenuse, the theta, so this is the opposite, and this is the adjacent. So first you need to calculate the length of adjacent side. Then substitute into the formula. Then simplify your answer. So this is the answer for D, E, and F. Also the question actually tertinggal tangent here. First, you have to calculate the unknown length. Use Pythagoras Theorem. Then substitute the value. Okay. Okay, next question number 2. Calculate the value of x without drawing any right angle triangle or using Pythagoras Theorem or a calculator. So how to calculate this? We want to calculate the value of x. So this is the formula. Tangent theta equals to sine theta over cos theta. So if you want to calculate the value of x here, so for A, tangent theta equals to sine theta is 1 over 2 over 3 over 2. Then you will get the value of x, which is 1 over 1 over square root of 3. Okay, use this formula. Tangent theta equals to sine theta over cos theta. So this is all the answers. Any question?
Hello, teacher.
Any question?
No, teacher.
Teacher.
Okay, next question number 3. Determine the length of side Q for each of the right angle triangle below. Okay, first you have to identify this angle. This is R, so angle is at R. So sine is SOH, opposite over hypotenuse. So you can write like this. Q over 9 equals to 1 over 3. Then you can do cross multiplication. 3 times Q is 3Q. 9 times 1 is 9. So Q equals to 9 divided by 3 equals to 3. So this is the answer for A. Okay. I just show you one example. So B and C, you can do by your own. If you have question, you can ask now. Or you want me to show another example, just let me know.
Another example, teacher.
For B,
Yeah.
okay, let's say for B, look at this question. The angle is at K, so you just mark the angle first. Then sine is SOH. So SOH is opposite, this is opposite over hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. Opposite the 90 degree is the hypotenuse. So first you write opposite over hypotenuse. So Q over 24. Then equals to here. The sign given in the question, 7 over 8. Then do cross multiplication. 8 times Q is 8Q. 24 times 7, use your calculator. Then this answer you divide by 8. You will get 21. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the answer for C.
Teacher,
Yes. Yes.
24 times 7, teacher.
Mm-hmm.
24 times 7 or divide 7, teacher.
First, I use my calculator. Mana soalan tadi? Okay. This question just now. So first, 8 times Q is 8Q. Then 24 times 7. So 24 times 7 equals to 168. Then 168 you divide by 8 because we want to calculate the value of Q. So divide by 8. You get 21. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Alright. So next question number 4 is actually equal, the step work equals to the previous question, but here given is cos. So I show you one example. First look at this angle. This is R. Look at the letter in the middle. So mark first the angle. So this is R. Cos is CHA. Opposite, adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent is Z. This is hypotenuse, 14. So first you write Z over 14. Then equals to this, 5 over 7. you can do cross multiplication, or if you can see here, this is 7. In order to get 14, you have to times 2. So when the denominator you times 2, the numerator also you can times 2. So you will get x equals to 10. This is the other way. Or you can do cross multiplication. 7 times z, 7z equals to 14 times 5. Then z equals to 14 times 5 divided by 7. You will get the same answer. Okay. So this is the answer for A, 10 cm. B and C. B and C use the same way that I show you just now. Okay, boleh? For question number 5, same as previous, but now is tangent. Tangent is TOA, opposite over adjacent. So look at the letter in the middle. So mark the angle first, A. So the opposite is x and the adjacent is 20. So x over 20 equals to, take this one. You can write 0.9 or 9 over 10. It's up to you. If you want to write 9 over 10, then you can use, like I showed you before, you can times 2 at the denominator and times 2 also at the numerator. So you will get x equals to 18. Or you can do cross multiplication. Or if you write, let's say just now is 0.9. So x is actually 20 times 0.9. So you'll get 18. So this is the answer for A, B, and C. For B and C, just use the same method. Okay, girls?
Okay, teacher.
Okay. For question number 6, given that tangent theta 3 over 4, okay, when you want to answer this question, look at this tangent. So tangent is TOA. So you can write O and A like this. PS equals to 5 over 3 PR. Calculate in cm the length of PR. PR is here. So first, you calculate the length of PQ first. Because here given tangent theta. So tangent is opposite over adjacent. This is opposite. This is adjacent. So opposite is 9. Adjacent is PQ equals to 3 over 4. Then you will get PQ. PQ equals to, here you can times 3. So here is 12. So PQ is 12. Okay tak? So in order to calculate PR,
Teacher,
yes,
sorry, I don't
which
understand
one?
from the beginning.
It's actually the same method as just now. Here given is tangent theta 3 over 4. So look at this data. The opposite is 9 and the adjacent is PQ, which is you don't know. The PQ, the length of PQ is unknown. So we can calculate the PQ by using the same method just now. 9 over PQ. So I write like this, 9 over PQ equals to 3 over 4 given here in the question. So that I'll get PQ here. Okay tak?
Okay, teacher. Okay.
Okay, so once you get PQ, you can calculate the length of PR by using Pythagoras Theorem. Pythagoras Theorem, PR equals to square root 9 square plus 12 square. You will get 15. Okay, for RS is here. Given that PS equals to 5 over 3 PR. So, you can calculate PS. PS 5 over 3 PR. PR just now is 15. So, time 15. So, you will get, simplify like this, 25. So, PS is 25. PR just now is 15. Now, you can calculate RS by using Pythagoras Theorem, square root, since this is hypotenuse, so hypotenuse square minus 15 square. Then you will get 20. Okay? I already record this, so if you not really understand, you can review again. Question number 7. The diagram on the right show right angle triangle DEF. So this is the triangle DEF and EFI. EHI. Okay, given that tangent X 5 over 7. This is X. Tangent is TOA, opposite over adjacent. This is opposite. This is adjacent. So tangent X equals to EF over DF. Okay, equals to 5 over 7 given in the question. Here, given DF is 21. So you substitute the value of DF here. So EF over 21 equals to 5 over 7. So, okay. Since this is 21, so 7 times 3 is 21. 5 times 3 is 15. So EF equals to 15. So EF here is 15. DF is 21. So given also EF is to EH equals to 1 is to 2. EF is 15. So EH, okay, let me use different color of my pen. I choose green. So here is time 15. So here also time 15. So the actual value for EH the actual length is 30. Okay tak? Hello?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, so
Okay,
EH,
teacher.
the length of EH is 30. Okay, the length of EH 30. Christian asks you to determine the length of EI. EI is here. So you can use Pythagoras Theorem. EI equals to, EI is the hypotenuse. So EH is 30 just now, 30 squared plus HI. HI, you have to determine the HI first by using the same X here. Okay, this is also X. So X, tangent X is opposite over adjacent. Opposite of this X is EH. So EH over the adjacent is HI equals to, okay, take this one, 5 over 7. So EH, you already know just now EH is 30. So 30 over HI equals to 5 over 7. So 5 times 6, you'll get 30. So here also times 6, you will get HI 42. So substitute here 42 square. Then you will get here 42 plus 30. You'll get 51. Use your calculator, you'll get 51.61 cm. Okay, this is the answer for question number 7. Okay, that's all. Okay. Ada kelas lain ke lepas ni?
Ada,
No,
teacher.
teacher.
No, teacher.
No, so can I continue? Because
Can
we
sure, teacher.
already discussed the homework, but not this today's subtopic. Sikit je. Okay, our learning standard for today's to determine the value of sine, cosine, and tangent of 30 degree, 45 degree, and 60 degree without using a calculator. So how to determine the value of sine, cosine, and tangent of 30, 45, and 60? Okay, have a look at, actually this is long discussion. Sangat banyak. Masa pun dah habis. Okay, I show you this. This is simple one. The previous one just now I will discuss in the next class. This one also use use calculator only. So convert 30.2 to degree and minute. So first 30 plus 0.2. Why we want to separate this? Because 0.2 we timed with 60. And then 30 plus 12. The answer is 30 degree 12 minutes. Okay, I'll show you how to use calculator. So 30.2, you just key in the value 30.2, then press equal. Then if you want the answer in degree and minute, you press this button. Okay, can you see this button? So press this button. So the calculator will give you 30 degree 12 minute. Same as this answer. 30 degree 12 minute. Okay. Let's say for this question, convert 43 degree 30 minute to degrees. So 43 degree. So press 43 and then this button. Then 30 minute, 30, then press this button again. So this is 43 degree 30 minute. Okay, then press button equal. The calculator will give the same as this, but you want to give the answer in degrees. So press this button again. So the calculator will give you 43.5. 43.5. Okay. So this is your homework. 5.1F. 5.1E tak perlu buat. You buat 5.1F dahulu. Sebab this one senang sikit. Yang 5.1E, I'll discuss in the next class. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Do you have any question?